Sithe thina umuntu omusha simbonisa ukuthi kunjani ukuba se-ICC azoba isicukuthwane naye azodla nge-fork and knife but esejabulela izinto zakhe ze-innovation. Mfana uyifikele lana ngetekisi umbone ukuthi uswele wahamba esehamba nemali engango-10,000 rand akayiphiwe.
So as a sponsor we are invested in this event and try and support what they're doing from the management of the event.
Mbukeli we-BMK Youth Productions sawubona igama lami uNolwazi uphilile wakaGadede intatheli yalapha kwintokozo FM eMlazi. Namhlanje ke sila eDurban ICC la simenywe khona ngi-Green Youth indaba ukuthi sizoza kahle kahle ukuthi basiphatheleni. Sizwile ke singakongeni ngaphakathi ukuthi khona zonke izinhlobo zo-MEC kukhona zonke izikhulu ongazicabanga nathi ke sizozwela ukuthi kahle kahle bazokwenzani la khona ngisho izikhulumo eziqavile ezisuka kwinkampani eseziphumelele nazo zizosazisa ukuthi kahle kahle bazeleni la siyafuna ukwazi ukuthi sizosizakala ngani la ake sibabone.
At this event, and they are going to share their story.
It should go to the next person to actually build with it. So the idea then came, okay, I need to fix this.
What a blessing it is to be back on the stage. I find it a privilege to be here. And if you are here, there's definitely more in store for you.
The stage, the landscape. I remember being in the Eastern Cape a very long time ago, but it wasn't in the mess it is now.
How are you making sure that the youth that is here is going to leave with something, going home?
So as a sponsor we are invested in this event and try and support what they're doing from the management of the event and just trying to tap into as many youngsters as possible that have got this burning passion inside of them around sustainability and want to take a step forward in terms of careers, doing the right thing by the planet and all of those different aspects, which is very exciting to us. Yeah, there's opportunities. I think the green economy is part of what we're talking about here, and there are opportunities to get skilled in the right areas, that they stay relevant for the future and for future jobs, and that there are opportunities. I mean, you look at the solar industry as an example. Over the last 10 or 15 years, it was a very small industry, and now it's a booming industry, and we are supporters of that. We've done a lot of investment in solar projects as part of our green energy transition. So there's a lot of opportunities, and the youth need to know that there's opportunities in this green economy that we've got in South Africa and at a global level. So it's never too late. So the youngsters can, if it's something that's on their heart, something that they're passionate about, they must not feel like they've missed the boat. There's always time to change and to get on the sustainability journey. It's a very exciting one, something that I've really enjoyed over the last 10 years, and there's definitely opportunity, and it's the way of the future. Sustainability, green energy, green economy is the way of the future. So I would tell them to stay encouraged, follow their heart, follow their passion. There's definitely opportunities.
I think sithanda ukubonga abantu abafikile la eDurban ICC sekusuku lokugcina sisa-celebrate yona Youth Month. I think siqale lento on Monday on Youth Day la sibe celebrate khona senza nge-clean up. We all believe in cleaning the environment esihlala kuyona because ulwandle lethu alukho clean and izinto esiyilahlayo emfuleni igcina ifikile olwandle, so besenzela ukuthi abantu babe aware ba-understand. But ngicatha okukhulu esikwenzile futhi okulandelile kube i-Career Expo la kade sihlanganyele khona ney'ngane ey'funda ey'koleni ezinga-around the Pine Town, which iy'kole zase-Hammarsdale ezako-Claremont, and kuyikhona ukuthi kube inzuzo kuthina ukubona indlela abayithakasele ngayo. But I think la kuqhubeke khona ilokho esikubona-ke namhlanje la eDurban ICC izolo for oqala ku Green Youth indaba. I think we had ama ministers amaningi, we had abantu abasha abaningi, we had abantu aba high profile abaningi. Bekukhona uminister, u-deputy minister we DFFE, which is Mr. Singh. Kwaba khona uDr Nobuhle, uMinister of Higher Education, besina ne-MEC yase tourism like KZN. I think uReverend, I think we siyakuthakazela nje lokho, but I think abantu abaningi mina ngithi ama VIP ethu ibona abantu abasha, you know, and siyathanda ukuzenza izinto ekanjena. Kulula ukuthi ukuthatha into ekanjena uyise lokishini endaweni eholo lomphakathi. But sithe thina umuntu omusha simbonisa ukuthi kunjani ukuba se-ICC azoba isicukuthwane naye azodla nge-fork and knife, but esejabulela izinto zakhe ze-innovation, because kumanje kune-pitching competition currently eyenzeka njengamanje la sobe sesi-announce khona later. Kodwa nje sithi celebrate 10 years kusakuncane lokho esikwenzile, but i-overwhelming. But there's a story engifuna ukushare somfana ekuthiwa uMinenhle, I think uSimelane Sibongo, izolo ngestory sakhe akabe nenhlanhla wathola u10,000 akawuphiwe umuntu nje kade izelela kwi-conference. So ilokho kade sikwenza sizoguqula impilo zabantu.
Siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. Mbuzo wokugcina nje, kulokhu ebenikade nikwenza nikhuluma nentsha yethu, niyayibona inqubekela phambili, niyazibona niguqula umhlaba, niyayibona niguqula intsha iba abantu abangcono kulo msebenzi wanamhlanje, niwubona impumelelo lo mcimbi?
So lento lena ngizoyithatha njenge-ground Moses Mabhida engekho njengakude la. Mengathiwa kwenziwa i-Mexican Wave Moses Mabhida ayiqalwa abantu abaningi. Iqalwa nje abantu abawu7 kuphela, and abantu abawu7 ba-convince abantu abawu70 ukuthi benze i-Mexican Wave. So nathi sibancane sibangaka senza izinto ezincane kanjena, siyazama ukuthi sifuna ukuconvince abantu abaningi. So we are just those one people abayilayithela ilight yabe khoneni labo, and sifisa ukuthi wonke umuntu ayibone le light mase ayijoyina and iqhubekele phambili. Mhlambe wena ungakubona kuncane sikwenzile noma abanye bangangakubona, but into esifisa ukuyenza thina sonke isikhathi ukuthi oyi-one umuntu nje ozosizakala, and njoba ngisho ukuthi izolo ukhona osizakele, namhlanje khona ozowina 150,000 rand. So it's not nje into encane, but izinto eziningi engenzeka. So ngithanda ukuthi ngitshene nje umuntu omusho lapho ukuthi next year mowuzwa kunento eyenzakalayo eGreen Youth indaba, ngisho athi ukude kanjani, zama ukuthi usondele ngoba impela uzosizakala.
Usuphendulile omunye umbuzo wami, kodwa-ke kumuntu osekhaya ongalitholanga ithuba lokuthi eze la ekhaya, ongafisi ukuthi azizwe ngazi ukuthi uphuthelwe kakhulu noma uphuceke iqathe emlomeni ngokuthi yena angezwa ngalolu daba lolu, ungamchazela ukuthi angabheka kumaphi ama-social media platforms, futhi yini eyi-motivation ongamnikeza yona ukuthi next time naye akuthakasele ukuthi eze la ekhaya?
No, mina ngakutshela ukuthi umuntu omusha vuka uzenzela, akekho umuntu ozokwenzela. And ekugcineni kunenye into esisho omunye umfethu kade ngine-interview naye kwele i-radio station, usisi wathi uzoyithola kanjani uhlele khoneni. And that's one of the things engifisa ukuyisho nje kumuntu omusha ukuthi sometimes you need to stand up, sometimes you need to be counted, and ngeke ubaleke uhleli phansi. Bonke abantu uma ngathiwa who wants to be counted, once you stand up ila uzokwazi ukuthi ubaleke khona. Vuka uyithathe uyithuntithe, kuningi esihlangabezana nakho kuyinkinga ezisilimazayo, kunama mental health issues esinawo amaningi, but namhlanje ngithi njengomuntu omusha khohlwa ukuthi kukwenzakaleni izolo, khohlwa ukuthi ulala ungadlile, but icabanga ukuthi uzowenzani. Nakho umfana uyifikele lana ngetekisi, umbone ukuthi uswele, wahamba esehamba nemali engango-10,000 rand akayiphiwe ngenxa yokuthi ukwazile ukuthi eze la. Ukuba kasukumanga ngaba kwenzekanga. So umuntu omusha sukuma, uzosithola-ke lapha ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana siyi-Green Youth indaba kuzo zonke iy'nkundla zokuxhumana, siyaguglisheka, we are googleable. Uzosiguglisha usithole laphayana kuzo zonke iy'nkundla zethu zokuxhumana ngokuthi nje uthi Green Youth Network. Kodwa nje ngithanda ukusho nje before sihamba ukuthi njenge-Green Youth Network senza ukuthi sizoguqula impilo zabantu abasha, and siyabonga kakhulu ngokusithakasela.
Siyabonga nathi ngesikhathi sakho.
Bonga.
Njengoba bengishilo-ke lapho umbukelo we-BMK Youth Production ukuthi mina ngizokulethela abantu abazokuchazela sebekhulume konke-ke, mina kusekho engingakusho. Igama lami uNolwazi uphilile wakaRhadebe, intatheli lapha kwiNtokozo FM eMlazi. Thina siyi-BMK Youth Production sithi usale kahle.